Recording. Okay, so just one. Ooh. 1-0.
1-0. Let's go.
Shut. No. When you, just kill him. Kill him.
Chill, Shaywin. Chill.
All right, the score is 1-0.
Watch out, yo. What is he doing? What?
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Everybody connection laggy. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh, you lucky as shit. Got it. He hard. Look at him hard. He fuck. Good shit.
Dick boy.
The score is now 2-0. Duckiez got 2, Soldier Slim got 0.
Skip out of here.
Oh shit! I ain't even record. Alright, it's 3-0. The score is 3-0.
You wanna count that 3-1? Kill on.
Oh shit! Get everything. The score is now 4-0.
Count so we can message you and tell you we're done or something. So y'all can know that we're done instead of sitting there all day. Cause I ain't gonna know when we're done. Man, what the fuck? I got everything y'all got. Probably got more. My shit ended in June. Yeah, no, I'm trying to make another account so when we done, we can contact y'all.
Oh shit, dog.
Oh, good shit. With no health.
5-0.
Yo.
Alright, Duckiez is 5. Soldier Slim had nothing.
Oh shit.
Good game.
He tried to buy me, but he missed.
This was Ducky. Does not tell Smashies, but I'm uploading the video also soon.
Lego. 5-0.